Right, morning all. Next year, after we've come back from Filey, I've got a bit of a problem with the loo. The flush has stopped working, so I'm going to attempt to fix it. I should have really checked this first, but I've ordered a new plunger anyway. I'm going to try and video it. It might be very good because it's very bright in here. I'll open the blinds a little bit, and we'll just see how we get on it. Right, so this is the plungy bit. Oh, it's not working. It used to be loads of pressure on there, but now it's really, really soft. So reading up, I think it's the bottom bits that's gone on it. I mean, it's putting the water out, but not. It's got no pressure there at all. Now there's two little screws there I've took out. So you take them two out, and apparently this has got silicone round, so you've got to just gently ease it out to get the air silicone out of it, to lift it up. So hopefully you'll be able to see when I'm doing it. It's just trying to get the camera somewhere while I'm doing it. We shall see. I think you've got to be careful that you don't scratch anything here. I might have to get something sharp at that to try and get it out. This has probably never been out before, so it's going to be quite tight, but we shall see. Anyway, I'll go and grab something sharp and then come back to you, see if we can get it out a bit better. Right, so back on it. So I'm getting the screwdriver on the back and I'm just gently lifting it, just to try and get the silicone off. I'll have to remember that when I put the new one in, I'm going to have to put silicone back on as well. So I'm just lifting it gently. It's all on this side as well, so I hope you can see. Here's the missus coming in now. She's coming to help us. Oh, it's coming. Right, so that's that out there. So by the looks on it, there's another clamp. Here's the missus coming to tell us. She's got her unit on it on.
Keeping an eye. I've come to see if you want a cuppa.
I'll have a cuppa, darling, aye. So I think there's 4 screws on another clamp there. So that clamp has got to be removed. So we'll get on to that now. I'll just set his bottle away again. Sorry for the video, it's not very good. It's not very good quality, it's very dark. Right. Just got another screwdriver. So that one's no good. So my thoughts are, you hold this up, got a screw there, screw there. I reckon, when I've been reading about them, I reckon that when you put the pink stuff in here and all, it rots them away, but whether it does or not, I'm not sure. We'll find out, I suppose, when we lift this up. Oh, and there's 2 screws on the back there, right at the back of the clamp. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do before I tap that last screw out. I'm going to take a picture with my phone, because you know what'll happen. I'll come to try and put it back together, and I won't be able to because I don't know what I'm doing. So just grab my phone. I'm just going to go quick picture because I will forget how that goes in there. Right, so that goes in there like that. Get all the screw out, and then we'll see where we are. Sorry, I've got my head in the way now. I'll try not to drop the screws down the back there, otherwise. Oh, I'll tell you what, I think it'll help me now. I should have opened the compartment where the blue comes in, and it would have given us a bit more light down there. Too late now, right? Right, so lifting that up like that. Now then, there's a That's sounding off there. Horrible stuff. Put it in. So this clamp there, I don't know how to connect it. Two screws there, two there. I thought that might just clip back. What's these at the back? Is that clips at the back? I'll let you have a look at it, if you can actually see. So it looks like there's two clips at the back. Might clip out. So let's put it away again. We'll have a go at getting them clips out. So yeah, sorry about the video. It's not very good. It's very dark in here as well. Let's have a look at these clips. Is it them there? Not got a clue. You've got them there, one there, so they're left. And then you've got that's got them. You just look got them out. That must just gently collapse. Is that moved? It's moved there. Right, so I'm gonna get another little 40. I always like to document it on my phone so I can go back to the photos and say, oh, that's what I've done, this is what I've done. Because we do forget, don't we, as we get older. Like that. Right, let's see if we can get this out. Oh, that's minging. Absolutely minging. Which pipe is which now? Horrible that, like. That's what they're on about, the build up of the pink stuff and all that, but that is absolutely minging. Now I don't know which pipe that you take off to get there. To lift the must be this one here, I would think. The toilet pipe. I want to get somewhere. How minging that is. I don't think that's ever been out and cleaned before. It's absolutely black. Right, I'm just going to get something to wipe it on and then we'll get that pipe off and get that plunger out. 2 minutes, I'll be back. Right, back again. That is absolutely minging, like. Look at it. Look at this one, cleaned off. You don't realise how minging they get, but that's probably never been off since it's been new. Proper minging. Disgusting, like. But never mind. I've got to somehow get this pipe off here. I think that's the pipe I've got to get off. I think that's the toilet one. What leads to the toilet? Once that one's off, I think once that one's off, you can just pull the whole pump out. Is it coming? I think it's coming. And then I'm going to give it a proper good clean, like the whole lot. But at least I've ordered a full new pump. I'll show you when we get it all off. There's a couple of tricks apparently you can do rather than buy the whole thing, but I'm actually, when I've seen the state of that, I'm actually pleased I've bought the whole thing, because that is absolutely made. And to be honest, I think it was 30 quid for the wall pump. It's not so bad. And then you've got any problems, it's fixed then, isn't it? Well, I'm saying it's fixed, I hope it is, because I don't actually know what's wrong with it. And I can't actually get this pipe off. coming? I think so. Come on. And it's off. Right. That's the pipe. I think was to the. I think that goes to the toilet. But look at that, man. It's horrible. Absolutely disgusting, like. Right. Hopefully. Oh, sugar. Oh no, I've lost my pipe. There it is. Give that a clean. Bloody hell. Can't believe what. How minging it is. Proper disgusting, that like. Yeah, I need to smooth that out of the cross, but I don't want to drop back down. Right, just get rid of that minute. This is pump, which does come over there somewhere. You see when I lift this out. There you go, that's that pump. Me and that like. Put that in there for now. I'll show you that in a minute. Oh god, I have to clean that. Oh, you'll see it. And then the rest of that, that's just like that. You know, I think causes all that. I'm looking there now and I can see all that pink stuff. I think it's the pink stuff causing all that. Right, I think it's the pink stuff that's causing it all to gunk up and everything like that. I'm just going to put these little pointy pliers lightly round it. These pointy grips, and that'll just hopefully just start falling down. Even though I don't think it makes a difference if it falls down, because I think, well, I'm hoping it's connected with it. Right, so I'll just show you this. So that's all out there. That's the minging flush. I'm going to go in, I'm going to clean it up, and then we'll see what actually is the matter with it. There's all the minging stuff that I've just took off it, which I'm going to have to clean up before. Put them in the bin. I'm going to have to get them clean before there. And I'll have to clean this sink a bit before Gail sees it. Right. Just 2 minutes, I'll get this in the house, we'll get cleaned up and I'll come back to this. Right. Back in. Go in the sink, I'm going to give it a little clean before we do anything else in the sink, because that's like, I was seeing out there, they reckon that when you put the pink stuff in that in, this is what causes all the gunk and the bang, all the rubbish on it, but I didn't think, I thought it would have been a bit dirty, but I didn't actually think it would be that bad. But just goes to show you, we never open them up, do we? You never look. Once it's sealed up with a suit, and that's it, forgot about it until something goes wrong like this. Well, yeah, to be fair, it's just like a, it's just a build up of like gunky stuff, and it's coming straight off, but I suppose when you're flushing, there's bits of all that gunk and stuff that goes down into like your toilet for setting it. I mean, that's quite sticky, some of that as well, so anyway, I'll just clean this up and then we'll have a look, see what we think it is. I think I can see it already, but I'll show you in a minute. Yeah, it's nearly done. Clean that off there. Now I don't know when you get the new ones if you get pipes with them and everything. I'm not sure if it comes with the pipes or if you've got to sort the pipes and stuff over. But I I mean, that's actually cleaned up not bad there, to be honest with you. Just on the pipe bit there. Go up there, which you cannot, I can't really get me. Anyway, oh, just get round there. There you go. Right, get rid of this. 1 second. Right, so having a look at it, I'm just going to dry my hands, wash my hands and dry them. I've got up the camera and I'll show you what I've found. Right, again, sorry for the video, but if you look, there's the whole pump, there's what's all come out, cleaned up a little bit better now. There's where all your silicone goes underneath there just to seal it up. I'll clean. Well, it will be the new one, so I'll put some silicone on there. But if we look at the bottom here, this bit here, sorry, I'm trying to do it one-handed here. That's a diaphragm in there. Now, if you look there, it's actually smashed. Now, I know for a fact people fix them with, you can put a cable tie on, pull it up, so it pulls it nice and tight against it again like that. As that's supposed to be tight against there, but as you can see, the body of the actual plungers snapped on mine. The clips are still on. Them two, there's 1, 2, 3 clips. The clips are still on, but the body of the plungers snapped there. Probably just over time and a build up of rubbish and all that. But if you go on eBay and it's just your clips smashed, you can buy these bottom bits here. So where the pipe comes down, this bit that's all around here, you can buy them. I think they're about £9, which would be an easy fix for you. You just take that bottom bit off. I think there's 3 clips on, take the bottom off, put the new one on, and that's the diaphragm sealed up again like that. Put it all back together and it'll be fine. Also, if you want a cheap fix or you're stuck out on the road, you can put cable ties just to hold the clips up. So you put cable ties around there, if the clips snap, around there, across there and across the bottom. And that'll hold the diaphragm up, which means you'll be able to use your flush. That's if you're stuck out on the road. Obviously it's going to be just a temporary fix until you get home and get it fixed. But there's the problem there, and that's why my plungers stopped working. That's why there's no pressure, because the diaphragm's not working there. So what will happen is the whole pump's coming, I think it's coming on Wednesday or something like that. Before we go away Saturday, I'll get that back in, get it sealed up, and hopefully that does the job. So I'll come back to you when the pump comes and just show you the new pump, and then we'll get that put in and see if it works. Morty Coty. So I hope that's been a little bit helpful for people. As I say, I'll show you when the new one comes. Alright, see you all soon. Cheers, bye. Right, back again. The parts come, I'll give you a quick look. It's just in the bag at the minute, so that's the new part there. That's the old part over there in the sink, which you can see on the bottom where it's smashed down there. So this new part here, there's a lovely girl behind, hey, is got to be put into there. Can you see it? With a bit of luck, anyway. Right, I'm going to pass you over to Gail, and then I'll get cracking on this. Right, so this is the part here. So there's the screws. We've got to take that off, even though the part is identical. I thought I was going to have to take little bits off of here there and everything, but it's absolutely spot on. So hopefully the whole thing just goes in. You can see on the top here, you've got to take this paper off because it's got the seal around there, which I don't even need to get any silicone because it's already got the seals on, which is good. Right, let's crack on. I'll try and go in and get put in. So first thing today, I'm going to get this grips. Can you see in there?
No.
I'll get these grips off this pipe here because this pipe has got to go up onto that pipe up there. It already comes with a new pipe, which is part of the flush itself, but this pipe here is the one that's connected to the toilet. So we'll get that onto there first. We'll try and get that onto there first, I should say.
Try to do it this way.
I thought I'd snapped something there. Oh, no, I haven't. Take that off there. That's handy because I thought I'd snapped that, but I haven't actually snapped anything, but that comes off there. The only problem is I don't know where it goes back on. Let's have a look at this one. That's the only thing keeping all the other one, because you can see where. Oh, right. That just hooks all that screw back. So somehow just clips onto that screw at the back of there. I'll have to have another looky. I don't know if that it's come off there or not. Oh, it's just, I know what's happened. That screw's got to be screwed onto there, look. Got it. I'll get my screwdriver. All it is, the screw acts like a washer on the bottom of it. So that bit there goes in. I know it's difficult for you to see in it because there's not much space, is there?
Yeah, I can't really get.
That bit there goes into there. And then screw that up into there. And that's it on there. So hopefully that's it under there. Now this has got to go down into there, which it's a little bit of a squeeze and a wiggle about.
Just wiggle.
Ah, no, that's come off again. I think I might have to put that on in a minute. Let's have a looky, let's have a looky. I have actually snapped that, you know.
Have you?
That clip, I've snapped that clip, so don't do it that way. If you're going to do it, it's screw the two screws out to get that clip on. I don't know if the back one's not. I think I don't know if I have or not. I think I have. Never mind. Anyway, this has got to squeeze down into there, but the problem you've got, getting past that pipe. Right. That's that into there. You've got to lift this up somehow because this bracket on the bottom here, got your two screws on the bottom, two screws on the front. You just got to wobble that bracket till it just squeeze it in. I think that goes down there somehow. Yeah. So you've got two screws on the back, two screws on the front, which was the two I took out. Sorry about that. Before that I took out.
Can you try it before you clip it in or not?
I'll screw these in first, I think.
Right.
Well, I didn't want to drop them down the reservoir bit, you know what I mean? Oh, you bugger.
You could just lost your screwdriver.
That's because them holes is not levelled up. It's a little bit fiddly, but I'm sure we shall get that. I can't see where the holes are. Let's have a look. Right, I think one's in there. I think that one's in there. There's one up there. That one's in there. So I'll nip them two up and then I'll try and get the two back ones in. Actually, I'll have a look. The back ones are going to straight in, no bother. Yeah, only what it is. Oh, that bit there. Let's have a look with the two screws. This is a bit fiddly because I've got to get like the screws in the back there, you see. But it's just how just screw with a screwdriver and then push it in. One in there. One in there. I think. there you go. That's it fixed. You got all the pressure back again. You know the pressure you didn't have.
Yeah.
I've got.
Need to take that so
I need to take the. Get keeping this right there.
Just keeping them right, just in case he forgets.
So I need to take this paper off this round of silicone because it acts as a seal on the top of the cistern bit. So when you're driving about and stuff, stop any water coming out of that. Do you know what I'm saying? If I can get it all off, that is like. I think that's in it. And then as this goes down, you've got push that on there. Yeah, I don't want to push that down properly yet because you've got another 2 screws going in the top, which I think's the 2 screws that come with it over there. But I've got these 2 anyway. I've got the 2 that was in, so I'll just stick these back in. Now, these are again a little bit fiddly because I should have really had like a little stumpy screwdriver, but I haven't. So we're getting these ones in, and the other one over here. Oh, did you bring it in? That one in there. I'm sorry that video is not very good, but we just haven't got any much room in here, have we?
Space, isn't it?
So that's them 2 nipped up. That's a new punch putting in, and there you are. That's loads of pressure there now, so that's it sorted. Yeah. Gail gets itchy with that little clean.
Gail. Oh,
right.
This is your job.
So, as I say, that's done now. So that should last us quite a bit now. I'll just show you the old one again. So that's where the old one all snapped down there. I mean, I didn't snap them clips off when they're fine. They're on the fine. So that's where it snapped off there, which I thought was going to be the whole bottom bit, where you can buy the bottom bit to replace what I was saying earlier, but no, we had to get the whole tubing because that's where it snapped there. Anyway, all you need is something sharp, Phillips screwdriver or a posi screwdriver, something sharp to get under just to break the seal where the silicon's round, and just a pair of grips to hold the screw, hold the pipe, and that's it. But from now on going forward, as Gail would normally say, what we're going to do, I'm going to drain that out so it's no water in it all. We're going to use some of this, which I've been recommended by people. Some people say don't use it, but I mean, I've known people using it 2 or 3 years and they've got no problems at all. So put a cap full of Milton in, fill it back with water, leave it for about 4 hours, and that should clean all that gunk and that out that's in there. The gunk and all that's caused by the pink, what we put in. It's algae that forms on the top of the water, and then it clogs to all the pipes and all that stuff like that, which can't do it any good at all. We noticed some black bits coming out when we were flushing it, didn't we? So what we're going to do, we're going to put this in, drain that out, put a cap full of this in, fill it up with water, pump it through, and then leave it for about 48 hours. And we'll flush it all out, clean water in, and from now on, all we're going to use fresh water with a little bit of Zoflora in. Anyway, hope that's helped people, and that's how you can fix your flush on your Thetford. It's a Thetford 200 c200 manual flush. So I hope it's helped any people, and good luck if you're going to fix it. Right, see you all later. Cheers.